Congratulations! You've been accepted to Union. What's next? You get to start working on your acceptance checklist. You can log onto your portal account by going to ucollege.edu/portal or clicking the link on our website. You should have received an email containing your Union College ID and a temporary password. If you don't have one, please contact the records office. It's a good idea to memorize your ID and password, as you'll be using them a lot over the next 4 years. This is your portal dashboard. From here, you can take the next steps to prepare for your first year at Union. You can make your confirmation deposit by clicking on Payment website. Once you've made your deposit, you'll unlock the rest of Portal, allowing you to register for classes and complete other necessary steps to prepare for your first semester. In the meantime, an important step is to set up your financial plan. Click here and you'll be directed to My Financial Aid. Make sure to fill out the FAFSA at fafsa.gov. This will let you know if you qualify for any government support. You'll need to fill out the financial questionnaire form to see what scholarships and aid from Union you qualify for. Once all your financial paperwork has been processed, you'll receive an email with your financial plan. You can also view it here. The acceptance checklist will guide you through the process of submitting additional information and filling out important forms. You can click on the Housing and Health sections to be directed to the forms on our website. Don't forget to submit your high school transcript and your ACT or SAT scores. Finish the checklist? Make your confirmation deposit today to unlock the rest of your portal account. Got questions? We've got answers. See you soon!